Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon to keep updated about all the new videos from my channel. Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's make a 3-minute recipe. So let's see how to make a 3-minute microwave cheesecake. And this recipe has just 3 main ingredients. Take some biscuits and powder it. Add in some melted butter. Mix it and make that into a buttery crumbs. Take few well-greased ramekins. Add this biscuit base and press it firmly. Normally for the cream cheese base we use the digestive biscuits, but I really like the smooth texture we get from these Marie biscuits. You can keep this in the refrigerator for 5 to 10 minutes so that it will get set. Into a bowl add in some softened cream cheese, some condensed milk for the sweetness. You can also add sugar. Add in some vanilla essence and whisk it really well till it becomes really smooth. And when you buy cream cheese for this recipe, try to get the unsalted one. Now take the biscuit base and add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of the cream cheese mixture on top of it. Very carefully just spread it around and level it. Now it's ready to go into the microwave. Place one ramekin at a time. Now my microwave power is 900 watts, so I reduced it to 360 watt and microwaved it for 3 minutes. And on a regular interval of 30 seconds. That means after every 30 seconds you have to open the microwave door, close it and run the microwave. Or else the cream cheese will burst out and you will spoil your cheesecake. And when you take it out from the microwave, you can see it is slightly separated from the sides. That means it's ready. Now you can refrigerate it for 2 hours or freeze it for 30 minutes. Of course I freezed it for 30 minutes. Come on, who can wait that long for a cheesecake? Now run a knife through the sides and flip that onto a plate, and there you go. Our microwave cheesecake is ready. Sprinkle some powdered sugar on top. You can garnish it with some berries, fruits or even chocolates. Look at that! Can you believe it? A 3-ingredient cheesecake under 3 minutes in a microwave. And you get a smooth, creamy, velvety heaven. We can always flavor this with different ingredients like cookie crumbs, chocolates, or even add some lemon zest for that lemony flavor. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.